We will compare today the two travel safety kits offered in Turkish Airlines airplanes, the old one and the new one. Both of them are available at the same time in the planes, so let's unpack them one after the other and compare. Let's start with this travel safety kit from Turkish Airlines with a nice design showing mostly the sites available within Turkey, such as here Sofia, Santraga Sofia, and more. So let's open it. As you can see, it is sealed. So here you have a plastic seal, and when I will open it, it should break. Oh, okay, maybe, or maybe not. Okay, here we go. We broke the seal, and we can now access the interior of this Turkish Airlines in-flight safety kit. First of all, we have a toothbrush, very important, a toothbrush with a protecting cap and some toothpaste, 2-in-1 mouthwash, okay? And then at the colors of Turkish Airlines. And we have also, of course, a nice bag. It's actually always nice to have a travel bag like that for your toiletries. We have an eye mask to sleep comfortably with a pad for the nose, so it's not painful to wear it for a long time. We have socks, red socks, the color of Turkish Airlines, okay, long socks. We have some slippers, or the red slippers. They are pretty thin, but they look fine. Okay. Earplugs, in case you don't want to hear anything, and especially not your neighbors snoring, for example, or kids crying. Here we have a small. It's not a sticker. It's just paper showing the design that is visible on the bag, and explaining that is the cultural values of Turkey, and that's the name of the painting, probably. And we have a vegan lip balm made of green tea. Okay, so this was the first travel kit. Let's put it aside and have a look at the second one, so then we can compare if one is better than the other or not, and if they are different. So this one is a sleek blue design, so totally different colors. Let's open. Not sure it is actually from Turkish Airlines, but it was available in the plane. Yes, it is from Turkish Airlines. Exclusive design by Mandarina Duck. Okay, so totally different colors. Here, let's open and have a look. So as you can see, the bag is very different. Here we have directly some earplugs. That's all, the bag is empty. We have some earplugs. We have, again, a toothbrush already open with a protective cap. Now everything is black. Oh. Here we have another kind of toothpaste, another one. We have another eye mask. So this one seems to be lower quality because it doesn't have the special pad for nose to avoid too much of friction and possible issues with your nose. Okay. We have socks, black socks. Oh, with anti-slippery pads. Okay, so the socks and slippers, black slippers. Okay. Oh, and I nearly missed it. Again, a lip treatment, peppermint lip treatment, and this one is not vegan. So that's probably the difference. So here we go. On the black one, we have the bag, we have toothbrush, we have toothpaste, we have lip balm, we have face mask, we have earplugs, we have socks and slippers. And on the other one, we have again this, the lip balm, we have toothbrush, the lip balm, earplugs. Here we have the face mask that is cushioned, so more comfortable. We have the socks that seems lighter than the black socks. No, actually the black socks are lighter. The red socks seem to be a little better. We have this small card about the design. And we have the slippers. So comparing the slippers, At first sight, they seem to be pretty similar except for the color. Yeah, it seems to be exactly the same, just a different color. So if I had to rate the both in-flight travel bags, I would say this one is better because the eye mask is of higher quality. The lip balm also seems of higher quality, made with green tea, although this is packed. So, and it's also the toothpaste on the left is in 2-in-1 mouthwash. The one on the right is nothing special, so maybe this one is better than this one, or maybe overall this one is better than this one. So if you have the choice in your Turkish Airlines flight, it might be better to take this travel bag than this travel bag. So have a look next time you board a Turkish Airlines intercontinental flight and select your travel bag carefully.